So today we are going to discuss about the courses which can lead to student to PR. Also, there are the variety of the courses, as you know. There are the many students coming to Australia, coming to Australia for the courses. And as you know, there are the vocational courses, bachelor's courses, and master's courses. So in the diploma courses, there are the number of courses available in Australia, which is automotive, commercial cookery, floor tiling, plumbing, construction, and it's totally depending on your interest and what do you want to do further and where you can lead to the PR. So it's totally depend on you.
आपकी बात नहीं
Uh, Further, if we talk about the bachelors, there are the number of courses available for bachelors as well, and the list is really big. So, as in, if we talk about like there is the bachelors of accounting, bachelors of business, bachelors of information technology, bachelors of accounting, bachelor of social work, nursing, and community services. So there are the many courses. The criteria to get the admission in bachelor's or master's, it's depend what you have done from your back from your country. So suppose you have done year 12 in science background, then you can get admission into nursing as well. For the nursing, the requirement to get admission for bachelor's in some of the university, they can accept a student in 6.5 IELTS or PT band as well. Now, if we talk about trade courses, so definitely you can go with the automotive course, which is most popular, and commercial cookery course, which is also most popular course in Australia. Further, master courses, there are master of teaching, master of business, master of information technology, master of accounting, master of social work, master of nursing, and again the list is really big. It's totally depend on your previous education background, on your interest, and the course you are eligible for to get admission. Further, to get admission, like if you talk about the social work, many students right now we are getting many inquiries from the student that they want social work. So definitely for the social work, if you really want get admission, there are the few university which is accepting a student for the social work, but you have to go with the graduate pathway. So if you are getting entry in the graduate pathway, you might be eligible. And there are the some university in regional area, they are accepting a student for the master of social work directly, but definitely you have to meet the criteria. Now come to nursing courses. If you haven't relevant background, and if you are looking for the diploma leading to bachelor's, then if you like suppose you, from your offshore from your offshore study you have done uh, something in not which is not in science, you have done something in accounting or maybe in another course, but you want diploma, you want nursing, then and you came here in Australian bachelor's of business, suppose we are getting one example. So you can go with the diploma of nursing plus bachelor of nursing, so you have to maintain your bachelor's degree in any of the case. So you can get admission in diploma leading to bachelor of nursing, but you have to meet the IELTS or PT requirement, and they will definitely check your background, and then maybe you can be eligible for that. And there are the students coming here in Australia. Now I'm talking about the tourist visa cases. There are the many students who is stuck due to this COVID-19 situation. They are in Australia and they don't know what they should do further. So you can go with the you can convert your tourist visa to a student visa, but there should not be a condition. So you can definitely convert into your student visa while you are here on tourist visa. Um, in that case, if you want to utilize your time and if you want to take further qualification, you can definitely get admission in on any of the courses, which is you are eligible and you can get admission further. Apart from that, if we talk about the promotions which we are running right now, so currently we are giving a student free IELTS and PT classes. For that, you can join us. You can like our page on Facebook, and you can call us on our landline, and you can get further information. We have started for free Nati classes, which is in Hindi, Punjabi, and Nepalese. So for more information, you can give us a call on 0396631318. And we have offices available in Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne, and Adelaide. So you can give us a call, or you can also, ask as much as question you want. Apart from that, we are running free student visa, definitely depending on your criteria. You can ask us for the Canada migration help. You can ask us for the regional area scholarship, which we are running. So regional area scholarship, if you are looking for the scholarship in regional area, we might be able to help you in that scenario as well. We can help you for tourist to student visa. If you are not comfortable to come to our office, and if you really want help over phone, you can give us a call. If you are not comfortable over call, we can give you a, we can do Skype chat, or maybe on Zoom we can guide you better. Apart from that, we are running free migration advice. So we have a team available for as an education consultant, or as in we have a Mara agents in our different locations. If you are stuck somewhere, please do call us, and we will be able to help you in any of the scenario. If you are stuck with your pathway, what you should do for the PR, and what is further your qualification, as per your qualification, what should you do, then we have a team of Mara agent in each and every location, and you can give us a call for further information and advice, which is absolutely free of cost. So I'll ask Baljit if you can give some advice regarding the regional area, please.
Yes. See, hi friends. So what I can add on that is that if you are studying, then you should first of all study the course which interests you. First of all. Secondly, if you are studying a course and your aim is getting a permanent residency, many people or many students are in the opinion that it is very difficult in Australia. It's like impossible in Australia to get a permanent residency, which is not true. If you if your aim is correct, and you know your potential, and you have the right guidance, you can definitely get a permanent residency in Australia. It's not that you cannot get it. It's not that it's impossible, but you have to plan it right, and to plan it right you need a guidance. I will definitely say that please don't do it yourself kind of thing. Please don't listen to your friends. If one of your friend of two or of your friends have not got a permanent residency, or if they are struggling, so it may be because they have made the wrong choices. So you should not make the wrong choices, right? uh, we are here to help you out, whether it is 491 visa, or it is 190 visa, or it is 189 visa. You can call us, discuss your case individually, because after these changes which came into the migration post November 2019, it all has changed. So every state has different criteria. Every stream of education has different criteria. So it's not like one size fit all. So you need to make right choices with the right guidance
Also in right time.
at the right time,
At
of
the right
course.
time. So if you're already getting, you're coming to, you are in Australia at the moment, and if you have already done your 6 months, so definitely you might be eligible to change your course. So you should, take a decision as soon as you can. And if you, as Baljeet said, that don't rely what your friend is doing. Maybe their scenario is different and your scenario is different. So you can give us a call for that, and we can help you as much as we can, so that you can get the right advice, what you should do and what course you can choose. So there are the multiple courses as we discussed earlier. You can choose on masters, bachelors, and also in vocational courses. If you're stuck, if your visa is expiring soon, as you know, like in August or July, there are many of the visas are expiring. Student visa I'm talking about. So you can give us a call, and we can guide you what are the best way to apply, and when you can apply, what is the right time to apply. Now, I'm just discussing about the services which we are giving to our students in regards to migration and your admission process. So currently, there are many of these scholarship program is running, which is scholarship is up to 25 to 30%, which is coming up around $10,500. Apart from that, you can, we are arranging the COE at the cheapest price. For some of the providers, we can help you COE for the $0. Yes, for the $0. So it can be, the course can be a diploma and advanced diploma. We can help you to get the COE in $0, and then you can start to pay the fee. So COE price will be nothing, and you can go ahead with your admission. There are the many of the monthly installments plan available, and also you can get the COE for the master courses 1 unit fee. Many of the scholarship is running for masters and bachelor's program. Also, as the professional year, if you have done your masters, if you launch your temporary resident and you are looking for the professional year, we have the providers. We are giving you a best price ever, and also for your TR, we are giving the best price. Now, as in CCA, because of this COVID situation, to help our students as an international student, for our all these students, we are running free IELTS and TT classes. Please do like our page on Facebook. Also, you can reach us on our landline, as I given the number again, and there are the few of new participants. So I'll tell you again, it's 0396631318. If there are any other, if you are offshore, then you can reach us on our email, and our email address you can find out in our website, which is www.cca.com.au. Yes, I think we can take now the question answers, or do you want to discuss?
Yes, we can definitely now take the questions. If anybody have any question regarding their migration need or their education needs, they can please put the question on the as a message, or they can ask by unmuting their mic.
Hi there, this is Farhana. I just would like to get your cell number. I missed that when you were saying. So can you please repeat your phone number?
Yeah, sure, Farhana. Are you in Melbourne or outside Melbourne?
I'm in Newcastle.
Or Newcastle? Okay. So our number is 03. I'm repeating and writing down for you. It's 039663
963
1318.
1318.
Yeah, you can give us a call on this number.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Not a problem, Farhana.
Yes, Veronica, are you asking something?
Hi, my name is Veronica. And my husband is currently on a working holiday visa, but we want to convert it to a student visa. But he only finished, he's French, so there might be some translation going on with the documents needed for school. But he only graduated year 9. Is it still possible to enter commercial cookery course?
I just give you a brief idea. So if he has done year 9, what the country you said?
France.
The country of passport is? France.
France.
Oh. Hi, Veronica. Can you hear me?
I can still hear you. He's French.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he had his schooling in France.
Okay. Look, Veronica, it is possible, but not in cookery. As for the cookery, the requirement is minimum of your secondary education, which is year 12. But
Okay.
he can convert, as he has he's from France, and then he can go with the English course first. Then he might be eligible after that. You have to submit the documents. I can have a look on it, and then I can advise you, because I need to check the documents properly.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, so there can be an option, but he need to do some English test first.
Okay, English first.
Yeah.
But is it possible even after the English test to enter like commercial cookery?
Yeah, yes, it is possible. It can be possible, but we can only advise like confidently once we see all your documents, right?
Okay, thank you.
Right, thank you.
Yeah, Veronica, I send my email address, so you can forward all the documents and your number, so that I can give you a call.
Okay, I'll check
Thank
on
you.
the message now.
Sure,
Thank you.
sure. Thank you, Veronica.
So, anybody else having a question can?
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Excuse me. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm planning to file for permanent residency under the occupation marketing specialist,
Yeah.
and I'm just wondering what are my chances. So I have a Bachelor of Arts in Communications. I
Mhm.
have 3 years of experience as a marketing coordinator in my home country, which is the Philippines,
Yeah.
and I already have a diploma. No, I'm getting a diploma in social media marketing this July from a Cricos school here in Sydney. So what else should I need to do? Are my chances even existing? Is it possible for me to become a PR via marketing specialist skill under the occupation skill list?
Yeah, marketing specialist is still in the occupation list, but it's not in the main list. It's in the secondary list.
Hmm.
For that, there is like few criterias which you need to meet,
Hmm.
depending upon which state you want to go. Like it is the states, every state has different criteria. You are not eligible to apply for 189. Maybe not. You may not have point score sufficient for 190 either. So
Hmm.
491 can be an option, but to advise you further, we need to discuss it personally with you and then see your documents and then we can answer.
Okay. Okay. So I'll
Right?
just I'll
So if
just send the documents to the email on the Zoom chat. Is that it?
yeah, yes, please. Yeah, if you can send those documents and a brief like what really you're looking for in the email, and then I can definitely reply you back, and we can take it from there.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, anybody else? All right. Meenu, I think it's concluding now. Like, yes,
Yeah.
Veronica, you asking something?
Yes. Since I asked about my husband's, maybe I can ask for myself because I'm currently a student as well.
Yeah.
I already finished my certificate 3 in individual support, 8th year, and then I'm currently on my certificate 4 in disability. My visa is ending on February next year. I'm currently fixing my registration as a nurse here in Australia, but it's really a slow process right now with AFRA. But I'm thinking, what should I do next? Like, what do I do next year? Maybe I could have another student visa, or I mean, how do I wait for my registration? Do I have to go regional or for
So,
PR? For PR, yes.
where are you located right now?
Right now, I'm in Sydney.
You are in Sydney,
Yeah.
uh, and you are doing this. So, what is what do you mean by like fixing your registration?
Um, yeah, because I'm a nurse as well in the Philippines, and they actually credit some of the nurses like a background of nursing, and
Yeah.
I'm taking the OBA, the OBA
Mhm.
process
Yeah.
for to become a nurse here via AFRA.
Yeah.
So I was just doing step 1 until step 3, passing my portfolio. And
Mhm.
do you know the OBA, the process about it?
Yes, we do know about the process, but I cannot discuss it like in here because we this is not the session for that.
So currently
But
I'm doing that as well. So
sorry.
currently I'm in the process of fixing my registration here as a nurse
Yes.
and
Yes.
currently studying disability certificate 4.
Yeah.
But
So
it's ending already next year, February. So do you have any
right.
yep.
So are you like having any experience in disability also?
Yes. Right now I'm working in disability. I'm working home care.
Yeah. Okay. So depending upon from where you have done your course of disability, whether
Yep.
it can be assessed by the relevant authority or not is a
Okay.
question. So if it can be assessed by the authority first of all,
Mhm.
then we can look into where you can fit towards your permanent residency. but first we need to see like where this course, from where you are doing it, and check it on the website if it is eligible for assessment or not with your kind of experience. Secondly, if you are looking for nursing, I would say the better is that you, if you have done a bachelor or a diploma from your home country,
Yes.
you still take a admission in a bachelor course in here in Australia of nursing. You can get some credit towards that. So maybe you are able to complete your course in like 2 years, and then you can straight away apply for registration. What benefit you'll get? You'll get extra points for studying in Australia. Plus,
Mhm.
you can be eligible to apply for 190 state sponsorship of Sydney,
Oh,
of
in
New South
Sydney.
Wales. So that can also be an option.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Because people have been talking about like I do have to go regional to become PR. Is it possible to become PR here in Sydney with like nursing course? Is it
with
still possible?
nursing, if you have done a bachelor's, then of course it is possible. But if you'll be going through your the other the with the test and everything, then
Uh-huh.
it may not be that you may not have like the points which are needed for a permanent residency
Oh,
while
I
you are in
see.
New South Wales. So you may need to move to regional then.
Okay, I see. I see.
Yeah.
That would be all. That would be all.
Right. So if you want to discuss this further, you can of course send us an email or call us, and we
Mhm.
can discuss it more from there.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Veronica.
Veronica.
Yep.
Anybody else? Okay. So let me summarize the point here. So basically in CECA, currently we are running free PT and IELTS classes. You can join free and PT, free IELTS and PT classes, and you can get the link and you can join us. Apart from that, we are running free Nati, which we have started just a few days back, which is in Hindi, Punjabi, and Nepalese. Apart from that, free student visa we are running. Canada migration help you can get it from us, which is free of cost, of course. And you can see your regional area scholarship, as many of the students are looking looking regional area options, so you can get some scholarship over there. You can convert, if you are here on tourist visa, then you can convert your tourist to student visa here in Australia. Definitely there should not be a condition, then only you can convert. If you are comfortable, you can visit us. We are open in all the branches, and you can come and visit and talk to us regarding your situation. Apart from that, you can give us a call, and you can do the Skype or Zoom counseling as well. We are running free migration classes, free migration advice as well. So all, for more information, please do like our page on Facebook, and please send us inquiry if you really want, and our one of our consultant will catch you soon. Yeah.
Yep. All right. Thank you, friends. Good luck, and yeah, do like our Facebook page. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.